great job today. So we're just gonna hear a short story and then class will be over and you'll be free to go home for the day. Okay, Amy. Yeah. I really have to go to the bathroom. Can you watch the kids for a second?
Oh, I don't do well with kids.
Yeah, my uterus is like a watermelon pushing on my bladder.
Oh, babies sound fun.
Oh, it is totally worth it. And I'm peeing. I'll be back.
I'm getting my tubes tied tomorrow.
Hi, kids.
Where did Miss Betsy go?
She had to take a potty break. She's pregnant.
She has a baby inside of her.
Yes, she does.
How did the baby get inside her?
Huh?
How did the baby get inside her?
Well, the daddy put it there.
Did it hurt when he put it in?
No, he didn't put the baby inside of her.
Then how did it get in there?
He put something else in her.
Like what?
Seed. A seed. She swallowed a magical seed.
But seeds make it choke.
Yes, but not this seed. She swallowed it really fast, and it grows inside of her belly.
How can it grow? Yeah, a seed needs sunshine and water to grow. How did sunshine get in her belly?
This is a seed that likes ice cream.
I love ice cream! Me too! I want to have a baby so I can eat a lot of ice cream. Let's have a baby together! Yeah, that's a great idea! I can't wait to get pregnant!
And then the baby grows and grows, but then when it comes out, it explodes out and just